I'm still bugging. I mean, I melt.
Actually, hello everyone. As you can see, it decided to snow again, and this one was just like a snowstorm. So I want to try again and make a snowman. I can see there's somebody who's already made. Let me see if I can. Like at the far end there, like there, you can see like there's something. Anyway, the snow is still fresh, so I want to try my luck again. This is second time. This second time or third time is a charm. Anyway, so I'd like to try and make another one, hoping bigger and rounder than the first one. Plus, it feels the weather is not cold like as the other time. Like now, I can have my hands outside like without the glove, and yeah, it's not like I'm freezing or anything, but how the outside looks like, and yeah, like it's a lot, like it's deeper, so it's still fresh. Let's see if I can do this again. Cheers and good luck to me. I've already finished the first two parts. They look nice, but a bit dirty though. And then I feel the weather is even warmer now. So I will do the last one, and then yeah, we will see. Like, it's dirty because it's like it's come from like the ground, so it's dirtier. But anyway, let's see the last part as I finish. I feel actually I've done. It's been faster than the first time, I guess, because the snow is still fresh. So we live and we learn. So we've learned now. First I add.
No, it's fine. As long as it's stable.
So my snowman is done. At least today he has the three parts, like the head, thorax, and the abdomen. So let me go and find like the eyes and the hands and the buttons. And anyway, we learn. Like I've taken less than an hour to make this thing. The other day I think it took me the whole afternoon. Basically because like I let the snow sleep and then I tried it the next day. But today, like it's fresh. So now when you roll it, it's just like it's rolling, it's going around. It's not like that circle, but like it's stuck. And it's big. So it's a win. Anyway, let's go find the parts. So the guy is done. He has the two eyes, the nose, the mouth, smiling. And then the scarf. These two hands, they're feeble, but anyway. The hands and also the buttons keep dropping off. But it's okay. So this is my second attempt of making a snowman. It's bigger than the other one. Do I feel it's better? I don't know. But this one is the second one. It has taken me a much shorter time in making it, meaning the best time to make it is when the snow is still fresh, when it's still snowing or soon after it has finished. So maybe if I had made it tomorrow, it would have given me a hard time. Like the other one. And it's like it gets harder. Easy. Like, let's try. Like it gets harder faster. So you see, if it now, like it's already hard. Meaning it's easier to make it. Like now, like it sticks faster. The other one was not sticking, like it was not staying when I wanted it to stay, so maybe that's why it was harder. Anyway, that's that, we're done and I'm happy. Hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are, whether it's cold or sunny or shiny or rainy. But yeah, it's a goodbye from me and my snowman. Cheers. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. See you when you see me. Bye.